have three options when you are wanting to get a home loan. You can go to your depository bank. That's the ones I think of, like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, kind of your institutional bank that you have a checking savings. It's called depository bank, okay? Those loan officers, and no offense if you work there, but they're not required to be licensed. They're usually paid by the hour or paid a salary, but or maybe they're paid a portion of the deal, but they're not going to be 100% commission. So then you move over to the 100% commission people. Those are people that are like in it to win it. If they ain't making it, they aren't going to make it. Those people have a little bit more to lose, right? And they take their job a little bit more seriously, in my opinion, because it is almost like a self-employed business. You're 100% commission. Those people can either be mortgage bankers or mortgage brokers. I get called both. Better than what I used to get called, but hey, mortgage banker, mortgage broker. I used to be a broker years ago. Brokers, and here's the best way to think about it. They're originating the loan, originating as in they're the start piece. You go to them. A broker is going to shop around to lots of different banks and find out who is going to give them the most money, the best pricing for you. How can they be competitive? Sometimes they're trying to be so competitive and beat out everybody, brokers, are, that they give you a quote based on an impossible bank, a bank that everybody's going to. They've kind of bought out the market. So the chances of you actually closing your loan there is like 50-50. Sometimes it turns out to be that you have a hair wrong and they're like, we've got lots of choices, so we're not choosing you. So be careful going with the lowest rate option. Sometimes you don't know the whole piece. Like, yes, they're giving you a low rate. You don't even know what points they're charging or whether until you've had a bad experience, you just don't know what it's like to work with an amateur, okay? But a broker is going to lose control a little bit too through the process, because not only do you have to know what that bank is doing, then you're shipping that loan over to that bank and you're sitting in your office waiting and you don't know what underwriter is going to get it. There's kind of an unknown throughout the process. Okay. But you can make a lot more money as a broker. I became a mortgage banker. We rule. They're my favorite. Mortgage bankers actually work for a mortgage bank. I work for Cherry Creek Mortgage. It's almost like we shop internally because we're a correspondent lender for many, many, many banks. But we originate your loan, we close your loan, we fund your loan with our own money. After closing, we sell it to the entity, the bank, that the investor who bought the loan. Okay, and then they release the money back to us, and then we can go out and give it to more. But mortgage bankers, in my opinion, full-time career mortgage bankers are not only who you want to work with, you're going to luck out in life because you're going to get all the extras.